Hi everybody, my extraction system for the CNC is a vacuum cleaner, a normal household vacuum cleaner, nothing's been done to that. It will eventually have a shroud to lessen the noise when it's on, but I brought it over into a modified funnel, and here's the funnel that I cut the end off and the point, and it sits snugly over the end of this extraction tube that I got off eBay. Only a couple of quid I think, not a lot at all, and it's been hot glued inside and around the outside, and if I want to clean up the desk, the table, I can just take it off, and that system doesn't detract from the way it removes the stuff off the table. You'll notice that the gap in here is a lot bigger, and the reason for that is I've opened it up, simply heated it up with the hairdryer, and then using a screwdriver just gradually turned the screwdriver until I could put it in upright like that, and then with the screwdriver still in place, let it cool down naturally. Job done. And it works very well. I can have this on, I can go and sit down, and I don't have to get rid of any other dust that forms around the outside. On the odd occasion you'll get bits shot off, but they're bigger bits, they're not bits that stay airborne very long, probably a split second. Excuse me. So yeah, that's money well spent for that. Definitely a good job. Well, I know they say self-praise isn't everything, but why not? Well, I finally managed to save up enough money to get a new spindle motor. The bearings went on the Dremel. I'm not surprised with the amount of work I shoved it through. So now I have a decent spindle motor, and it works extremely well. I haven't got it on the correct voltage. I've got it on its lowest voltage, which is 12 volts. It will go up to 48 volts, and I've got power pack project to build for this at the end of the day. When? A good question. I'll have to have a think about that one. But anyway, it's brilliant, and I've got it running off a PC power supply at the moment, and nice and quiet as well, not like the Dremel. And I've also got one of my light boards here, which is just screwed in with a couple of hooks through the other end of the board, through the wiring holes. Nothing fancy about it at all, and then wired up to the 12 volt side of the controller power supply, and that's what it looks like. The camera hasn't whited out, but you can see the bed quite nicely. I have no problem with shadows at all, and directly underneath the spindle motor is nice and light. So that's the upgrade for the CNC so far. There are a couple of other things I want to do. I've also discovered that this wasn't level, and so what I did was I took the top piece off, gave the top of the other piece a damn good clean down in case there was anything in there, put it back on, recut the 200 by 200mm pocket, and now I've got a perfectly flat bed. The only problem I've got now is the boards aren't all the same thickness, because I'm getting cheap boards. I'm not getting all the same thickness, but I don't mind that because I can get over that. So how do I get over that? Well, simple. I do a very light cut first to find out where the high points are, and then I adjust the Z-axis depth to allow a deeper cut where the high points are, but still maintaining a cut, even though a slimmer cut, around where it's level. I've done loads of boards like that, loads of light boards, and it worked out brilliantly. So I don't find it a problem. I found a mistake, a big mistake on my part. These rails, it isn't the size that's the problem, it's the rails themselves. Because if I press on here, you can see it bounces up and down. I got the wrong rails. Why I didn't see it before, I have no idea. But I should have the rails that are supported all the way down. I can't remember what they're called, but I've got to find some, and then find out how much they are, save the pennies, get them, and then I'll be replacing these two. And then that will definitely get rid of that. As far as I'm aware, that is the only other thing I've got left to do. I'm changing the controller, by the way, but that'll be a separate video all on its own. Pardon me. I mean, this controller's done me very, very well, and I won't be dismantling it. I'll be putting it on another CNC that I've got to build for Paul, Baton 5. But we'll get around to that at some point. Okay, peeps, that's so far what I've been up to with the CNC, apart from cutting boards, obviously. So I'll love you and leave you, and let you know when I do the next bit. Bye for now.